Hi, folks. Hiya, hiya, hiya. How are you doing? Oh, snap. What's good? Not that. There we go. Ooh, why is that so off the screen? That's better. Better. All right. How you doing, Cindolin? What's good? What's good? What's good? Hopefully all the stuff. So square. There we go. All right, sound's going.
Thanks.
Kazoo boy, how you doing? Getting nerdy. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. I'm doing alright. I'm doing okay. I sounded really whiny. Doesn't help that I have a little bit of something in my sinuses. Makes me sound super nasally too. I'm tired.
Oh, right.
Alright. So we unlocked a new thing. All the Psyduck picks. Better believe it. Better believe it. Cindolin, do you, or Kazoo Boy, both of you are on here. Did you guys ever get Scarlet or Violet? I want to trade. I want to trade. Let's do it. Let's do it. Oh, we did this last time. Oh, I can't do it this time. Ah! We'll do it in the break. I'll change where my... I have Scarlet.
It really is a jungle out there.
I have Scarlet.
Keep your eyes peeled and your camera ready for Pokemon. Good luck.
I really like. I think I just like the design of Koraidon a little bit more than Miraidon. I've heard. How do you? I didn't. Ah! I'm failing. I'm failing. But I'm actually really happy that I got Scarlet instead of Violet for the Paradox Pokemon too. I very much enjoy the Scarlet Paradox Pokemon more than I like the Violet Paradox Pokemon. Nice, nice. Ah! What was? I forget this one a little bit. What is that? Bird.
Oh,
Thanks. Oh, I forgot. I had the things. Oh, I totally even forgot about that. I got fluff fruit. Wake up. Wake up, you lazy cat. Wake up, you lazy cat. It's a big boy. I'm missing everything, man. I feel like I'm missing everything. Oh! Come back, do it again. One more time. I think we got it. Nope. Taking pictures of random stuff. That's about it. Of course. Oh, let's move those. Alright. Ba-da-bum, ba-da-bum.
Hello.
Let's see him. Yes, I have Scarlet. I do, in fact, have Scarlet. Might be the 2-star one. Yeah, I went on a whole spiel about how I like the Scarlet one a little bit more. I was kind of surprised. It's like, I mean, I guess I could say it again. I got you. I got you. Weird. That one's more in the shot. I think that one has to be up. Exactly. Exactly. I mean, all of the versions effectively come down to red and blue. So, got the red one. Even though I like violet more than scarlet. I get they make scarlet as this orangish color, which I always thought was more of a reddish color. Yo noise. Yo noise. Cool. Glad they have violet. I'm just excited. I'm also excited to like see what the play together kind of thing
A new
is.
discovery. Nice work.
I don't have friends. You're my friend. Yeah, I guess it's the scarlet letter there. How is that still bronze? Get out of here. Get out of here. Leopard.
A new discovery.
Leopard.
Nice work.
It's Leopold. The Archduke Leopold. the worst picture
Great
I've ever
timing.
taken. How is the pose good? Pose isn't good. How is that diamond? You can't even see it. Whatever. Whatever.
A new discovery. Nice work.
So I just realized, and I'll do a quick plug, I suppose. Just realized that I can upload some clips that I put on my Instagram
A new
onto
discovery.
YouTube as shorts.
Nice
Now,
work.
I vehemently hate shorts. Hate that every social media platform seems to be on this trend of under a minute videos. It's
A
dumb.
new discovery.
That said, gotta build that brand. So, thinking, I might upload those as
Nice work.
shorts on my YouTube channel. So, I've been posting all these VODs onto. So I love Mimikyu. Cinderlin. Sorry, I'll finish my thought in a second. Mimikyu is legit cute. I think it's really funny that some people find Mimikyu like creepy. I think that's really funny. For me, Mimikyu is super cute.
A new discovery.
I know you love a sad boy, Cinderlin. Gara was your first crush. We know.
Nice work.
The stream is very well aware that you got a type. Yeah, Growlithe is good too. Vulpix, super cute. Yeah.
A new
I think
discovery.
some of the other super cute ones. I don't know what to do with each of those here. Petty Ursa. Ah, boo. Cyndaquil, yeah. I am so disappointed that like Pokemon Go and modern iterations of like 3D models for Pokemon don't have Cyndaquil, Quilava, and Typhlosion having their flames all the time. I just always thought they had flames on, like back in Silver and Gold, because the sprites didn't animate that much.
By the way.
And I'm really kind of sad that that was actually the design direction that they went in. Just don't love that. I like Cyndaquil that's always kind of sneezing. I mean, they make it look like it's sneezing, but... Oh, I didn't move right.
Good luck.
You come on the prowl. You know what's gonna come. Across every corner. Every corner. One sweet. Sweet. Suck my butt. Oh, hello. Lacking. Cute. So freaking cute. I love it. Do block my way so I can get that picture of the Arbok. I think I got some.
Oh, really?
Well, it is what it is. Do.
Oh!
All right. Bon free. Do. Meow. Meow. Oh yeah, yeah. There are 100% more violet people, just like there were absolutely more sword people than shield. Doing a lot of the same pictures. All right. I think that's about it. I'd love to speed this thing up.
It's time.
It's time. While this is doing its thing, I'm gonna do mine. This guy.
Yep.
Let's just move it down. Oh. Oh. Ow! Right. Looks good. Gotta be that. It has got to be that. Hey, look at that. Just move it up a little bit more. Punch. Oh, it's completely out. Great. Forgive me for that intrusion. Thank you, that one. I love how big this is. Arbok. Waxar. What do we think? Sleeping or walking? Sleeping or walk? Sleeping or walk? I'm feeling maybe sleep. I know, they're both pretty cute. I get the entire Pokemon in the frame here. There are pose bonuses. I don't know if sleeping is going to give me a pose bonus. Let's try it. We're going to have to do this course a billion times anyways.
All right.
I will say, I do like that this game rewards you for doing it multiple times. There are different stuff like, that randomly occurs. Walking is bigger, yeah.
Nice work.
Alright, silver's not bad. Beautifly.
Nice work.
Seems calm. Solid. Nothing but platinum.
Great timing.
Thanks. Boo.
Nice work.
Been bopped by something. Right.
Nice work. Nice work.
Okay. Hey. The welcome one might have given us a slight more bonus for biggerness. But can't argue with diamond or platinum, whatever that thing is.
Great timing.
Thanks. Alright, silver. We can do better. We can do better. Do level 2 now for this. Noise.
All right. Ah,
By the way, I've got something to report. Alright, let's return to the camp.
all right.
I don't know what the name of that Pokemon is. All I know is when I read it, my mind fills in Arduino, and I know that's a microcontroller brand, not the name of the Pokemon. So I don't know what the name of that thing is, but I feel like it's an Arduino. Maybe a Raspberry Pi.
Now,
What? What?
What is it? Stop.
Oh,
Yes.
yeah.
no.
Snap photo.
Thanks.
Do this. Let's do this! I'm so excited to take pictures!
Whoa. Here.
Well, hey, shout out to a few new followers, by the by. Why do I have to say this name? Porked by Your Father. Shout out to you.
Pretty dark out there.
That boy Kush.
Hard time finding
Shout
Pokemon.
out. Bird's Eye View. Shout out.
Look for a glowing Crystabloom for me, would you?
And Expo Justin. Shout out. Was there something about there? Hello. How is that going to be fun? No. Not yet. What? That's it. More lol.
Oh, really?
Those are cute. I mean, I suppose I am gonna watch the big game on Sunday. Big game PM. Oh, that was a thing. Never gonna get it, never gonna get it. Especially because the birds are playing. Go birds. Ooh.
Oh,
Hey. We seen a glowing Crystabloom yet? And Mega is one of the most confusing ones. Not a Mega Evolution. All the Mega nonetheless. You're glowing. Never gonna get it, never gonna get it. Right. Put that foliage in the way. Oh my gosh. You see this, guys? They're walking. They're walking. They're so cute. It's so cute. Just making sure that my son is actually in bed. Might do that just to see. Hey, just to see. Good. That's legitness. Hey. Who can and bet your butt. This can't be better, right? I would be remiss if I did not try.
Now then.
Now then. I got a tweet out earlier that I was gonna play this game, and it looks like Twitter's broken. Like I can't tweet anything. A fantastic development.
A new discovery.
Not that I wanted to use the site.
Nice works.
That's weird. There was a wood quality. That would have been a wood quality picture. This
A
one.
new discovery.
Yeah.
Nice work.
Saw that as well. Doesn't seem like it's up yet. I don't know. People are scheduling tweets to try and tweet. I don't know, it's dumb.
A new discovery.
Beep.
Nice work.
Solid. Solid, solid.
Nice work.
Yo. Yeah, that's what it's not.
A new discovery. Nice work.
That's not.
Great timing.
Yeah. Cool. Alright. Just making sure. Yeah,
A new discovery.
the Ladian pick, I think, is really good. Lydian? Ladian? Yeah, Mega's big.
A new
I thought
discovery.
this was the Quagmire pick instead of the Crystal Moon. I was like, that's a horrible picture. Who let me take that picture? Hmm. Yeah. I've got something to report. I'm so excited. I cannot contain myself.
Yep.
Arduino, what are you doing in the background?
Now then.
Oh,
Illumina. Illumina.
Now then. Observe.
nice.
Hell of a cutscene. Hell of a cutscene.
Ooh.
Huh. Well.
Hey, so
Yep.
Jeez.
Yeah.
Go back to the park. Let's do park during the day.
Good luck.
Whoa. Will do.
That's the stuff.
Hey, guess I don't have that one just yet.
Whoa, really?
No way that was any good. Ah, you move so fast.
Nice.
Hello? Hello? Um, Can we get that photo? Is this-
It's time.
It's time. Another one? Just trying to memorize what everything is, where everything is.
Welcome back.
Thanks. Let's do this. I don't think that will be better, but hey, why not, right? That's might be, actually. Probably not. Oh, come on. Boo. It makes me so upset when none of those registered as injured. Alrighty.
Let's do this.
Fine. Do this.
Nice work.
Oh, Falan. Look at that size. Look at that size. Look at that size. Size.
Nice work.
Is what it is.
Nice work. Perfect timing.
Solid.
Great timing. Nice work. Nice work. Nice work.
I'm surprised that was better for size, because I couldn't see it.
Nice work. Nice work.
It's a masterpiece.
Nice work.
Let's return to camp. I wish I could go straight to the map screen from the end.
Hey,
Hi.
Guess let's do the Illumina spot, and then maybe we'll do the park at night, and then move back on to the forest.
Good luck.
Thanks. Right? It's just a big boy. Anything else? No. these. There's got to be something more to this. Nope. This is it. Whoa. That was a waste. Waste of time. That was boring. Sorry, folks.
How was it?
This one I was on. Here one. I don't know. None of these are gonna beat what I already have. Alright. Hey, whatever.
All right. Great timing.
Okay, that actually did beat it. No, it didn't beat it. Doesn't matter, doesn't matter, doesn't matter.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, nothing. Thought there was gonna be stuff. Feels like it's random. If there's anything there, not beyond the
I'll tell you.
Meganium or whatever it is. In there, I guess.
Here.
Do nighttime. Nighttime. Yeah, it's good music. I will say it gets a little old. I wish there was more variety. How about that? Maybe that's the best way to say it. But it is a good soundtrack overall. And more than anything, it's something that I can totally, you can work to. You can
That's
keep
the stuff.
Wow! Here we go.
Oh, really?
I already got that from a better angle. Put it down. Hello. Hello. Oh, that is fantastic. Oh, look at this little Sylveon. Hello. Oh, Grookey's not gonna wake up. I will say, I've always thought Sylveon was a dumb design. It's really grown on me lately. I retract that, and I will say I was very wrong. Sylveon's a fantastic design. And I recognize it. Shoot, there's one right here. Yeah. Fairy types are a bit extra. With their designs in a lot of scenarios. And sometimes it's really good extra, and sometimes it's like, okay, calm down. It was a good run, though. I think we got some good stuff. I don't think it's a better picture, but I think it might score better. Wolflon. That Caterpie dough. I actually think that's good. 4-star! Sylveon looks so upset there. They're like, why? Why did you wake me up? Just full-on profile. Pretty much. I'll make you that. Let's do it.
Let's do this.
Let's do this.
Nice work.
What up? That's fine.
Nice work.
Chew. Yeah.
Nice work.
I think that one. That's what I'm talking. One scored better, but I really like the other one more. I don't know.
Nice work. Perfect timing.
Perfect time. Perfect.
Nice work. Nice work.
Get that big dog.
Nice work.
Yeah. I mean, look at this. It is the perfect Mercury.
Nice work.
Better in every way.
Nice work.
Okay.
Great timing.
Wow. Wow. Oh, Wilson, wow.
Nice work. Perfect timing.
Way better. So much better. Look at this.
Perfect timing.
Badoof. Badoof.
A new discovery.
So cute.
Nice work.
Hoot hoot.
Nice work. Nice work.
Yep, yep, yep.
A new discovery. Perfect timing.
Bada boom. It's gotta be worth some points right there. I don't think it's 81,000. About 40,000. Okay. Let's return to camp and maybe we'll go to the jungle. Go to the jungle.
Yeah!
Yeah!
Oh! Oh, right!
Let's do this one real quick. And we'll do day, and then we'll do night and day. Night and day, night and day, night and day. Woo, woo!
Take care.
Hello? You. So cute. Oh my gosh. sure what to do. So crystal.
That's great!
I don't know. What are you? Alright. Crystal flames coming up.
Nice.
There's something there.
There's something there.
It's time.
I don't know what that one does. So that's it. Alright.
All right.
Bluey!
Oh,
Oh. Might be good. Hmm. More is better, right? I doubt, but hey, come on. He's done. He's done.
now then.
Let's see.
Nice work.
Almost.
Nice work.
There we go. We'll take it.
Nice work. Nice work. Nice work. Nice work.
Interesting. Okay. Thought we had more. Thought we had a better run than we did there. Should have 6,000. 16,000. Oh, come on. Alright, we're gonna retry that. I wanna get that level up. Get that level up.
Take care.
A Metapod over there? Where? Oh, there is. Hmm. Scan, 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 scan.
So,
Hey, good eye! Now we can get a closer look at those swamp
Nice.
Pokemon.
Right. That's what I'm talking about.
whoa, really?
Not a whole lot different, but give me the edge on some of these things. Come on. Um. Yeah, I don't know.
It's time.
Do. Killed it. I accidentally killed it.
All right.
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba-da-da.
Welcome back.
Thank you. I think that one's better. That's definitely better than nothing. Restart. I just think that's so funny that this is only a 1-star photo. Sure.
Let's do this.
Oh.
Nice work. Nice work.
Nice.
Nice work.
Yo.
Nice work. Nice work.
Oh well.
Nice work.
Not as good. You bet your butt. Bet your butt. I went
All right.
Razor's level. After the swamp.
Ah,
By the way. Do-do-do. Everybody pose.
all right. On to the next site.
Two next sites. What up?
Now then.
Huh?
Look.
We got a desert. We got
Huh?
coral reef.
That's great!
You mind?
Oh, do the jungle one more time.
Hi. Actually,
What?
A melody player.
mm-hmm.
Look at this.
Rita,
Yeah? Excuse me.
Fill in.
Wow. Mhm.
Throw it. Okay. Oh my god.
Hey!
Just let me go to the jungle.
So, what's up? Oh. Professor! Hold on.
These folks are the worst.
So,
The absolute worst. Please, just let me do a mission.
Thanks. Yep.
Oh wait, I'm on research level 2 there. Done with that. This will do feature part. Should be able to level up part, and then maybe we'll do one of the new ones. Oh yeah. Sindolin. Yeah. Love that game. I also love So, there are parts of it that I really think excel with like the replayability of the levels is really, like, I didn't appreciate it first time I was playing through this, and really come to appreciate it now. Where there's like almost always something.
Oh, wow.
That said, feels a lot more grindy. Doesn't it? For better or for worse. I mean, one of the things I love about the old Snap is that you could really memorize where things were.
That's it! The monitor says you can get through there!
There we go.
Time to see a whole new world of Pokemon!
So it's a double-edged sword, right? Being able to have these random encounters is really cool. But also then makes you feel like you're grinding through these levels.
Awesome! The shrink function worked! I'll
lot,
keep an eye out for you.
you know?
Have fun in there!
Just roll around? Yeah. It. Yeah, electric mice can almost like never get old for me, honestly. I don't know what I'm gonna see under here. Do. Come on.
Awesome.
I think that's about as good as I'm gonna get there.
This is as far as we can go with this test version. Once you leave this area, you'll automatically go back to normal. Can't wait to hear all about it.
Alright, get me out of here. Boink.
Let's do it.
Right, and then another one. I don't remember where it is. There's one more.
Alright.
Alright, whatever. Sylvie on butt. Sylvie on butt. It's a Sylvie on butt. We can talk after. Alright. Never gonna beat it. No, I don't wanna be. I think it's gotta be, right? He's roly-poly wormhole. Roomish. I don't care about that. That's okay.
Let's do this. Nice work.
Thanks. Gold star.
Perfect timing.
It's hard to get.
Perfect timing. Nice work.
Oh, it's a happy surprise. Look at that. Roomish.
A new discovery. Nice work. timing.
Better than just about everywhere.
Nice work.
Okay.
Nice work.
That should be. Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Now then.
All right. Okay.
Come on now.
Sorry.
I'm sorry.
No, you're not.
All right, all right.
Wow.
Todd, you're the worst.
Right?
Gotcha.
Yep.
Right. Let's do one of the new ones.
Thanks.
Oh.
You know?
Oh, I see. Do this. Let's do the desert, and then I might call it a slightly early stream. Demon. Scorby.
Sand, sand, and more sand. Seems like a gritty environment. I imagine Pokemon live differently here than on the other islands.
Anything more than that?
Awesome!
Missed it. Look at this little Torchic.
Oh, really?
Lake and Rock. Hold on. It's pretty big. You wake up? Nope. Not today. He's so cool. Ooh. Alright. Alright. Oh yeah, a lot of new stuff. If nothing else. I don't know if we'll go up a level right away. Whoa! Asmon, thank you for 5 months, man. It's incredible. Incredible. How you doing? How was your day? Got this buzzard. Eolus. Seems like 5 ever ago indeed. No, it's been a fun journey though. Fun journey so far. Do that. Solid photo. Absolutely solid photo. I like it. I like it. I've I haven't finished this game before, but I have played through the majority of it. I really enjoyed it. And it's one of these games where it's like it's just kind of fun to sit back and take photos. So
Great timing.
I figured I would erase my save and play it on stream. Have a little bit of fun with it.
A new discovery.
And a buzz.
Nice work.
Ugly Poke.
A new discovery. Great timing.
Thanks. Thanks, Professor.
A new discovery. Nice work.
Alright.
Nice work.
Gold stars all around. Porchick.
A new discovery.
Porchick is so
Nice work.
cute, but I don't like Blaziken as a design. I just don't love Blaziken. You're doing good? That's good. I'm glad to hear. This might be the best photo I've taken so far.
Nice work.
Be pretty good. Probably wrapping up soon. I'm sleepy. Been a long year.
A new
February.
discovery. Nice work.
And this leftover Coke Zero is giving me some work. And that hurts the Pizza Hut earlier. Is that gonna stop me from drinking it? No. Ah. We're like 3,000 away. Okay, we're gonna have to do this again. I'm not gonna stop it. Retry. Retry. Oh yeah. Gotta get that. Cutest Pokemon.
Good luck.
If I can get that one of those. At some point I'll be able to do that. But it's not this deck. That sounds, yeah, that sounds just a little bit sad. I mean, it sounds yummy, but a little bit sad. Ah! Mamma mia! There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Give me that good shot. A little bit too close. No carbs. Oh. Hear that. Attempting to be carb conscious is
Whoa, really?
taxing. Yay! Whoa! Watch out for stomping hippos. Bye. Yeah. Oatmeal for breakfast. Oatmeal's legit. Like, I passed on oatmeal for so long. Oatmeal's pretty legit. Even without a lot of the accoutrement of...
It's time.
Ooh, hello. Some of the more fun varieties of oatmeal. Plain oatmeal, a little bit of cinnamon. It's not bad. I need to get back on the carb conscious train myself. Cheers to you, man. Good for you. Oh, we're back. Yeah. So we already did that. Maybe. All right, let's do that one. These are great. I'm feeling that one. Oh, gotcha. Yeah, taking... this feels weird saying this, but like taking choice out of meal prep makes things significantly easier. Just because, you know, it is or isn't, you know, you got it or you don't. In that sense, it's nice. But it's a trade-off, right? Depends on what you want to do, I guess. I think it's good that I got that time. Maybe.
Now then.
To be able to get a trap inch
Nice work.
from another perspective, eating.
Nice work.
Bronze. That was a wood. Wood.
Nice work.
What up, Diamond? Doing it.
Nice work.
Really? I would have thought that would have been better. I guess it's not.
Nice work.
Diamonds!
Nice work.
Or chick. Silver. Okay.
Nice work.
What? The masterpiece.
A new discovery. Great timing.
We most definitely love up. We're like halfway to level 3.
All right.
Not bad.
Huh.
By the way, oh, Cinderlin, there is one thing that I remembered I liked better in the old game compared to this one.
Now then.
And it is the menu stuff. It's silly, but like being able to just scroll through something instead of having this
Now.
dumb like cursor that I have to drag around really slowly,
You mind?
that would be really nice. It just like I don't why would I be able, why is it important for my cursor to be able to go all around here, right? So why isn't it just a 1, 2, 3, and then if I go over, it just goes to this? I don't know. Ugh. It's so slow. And this is as fast as I can make it go. It's just like, that's a long way. Why didn't you put this? I mean, or, yeah, I mean, this is also a Y button press. Why not make it AB, you know, ABX or something like that? I don't know. It is mind-boggling to me. I don't want motion controls. I just want things to go faster. Camera speed. Pointer speed.
Thanks.
I guess that's mildly faster. I don't know if I would call that a 10. If I was on like a 4 before. I guess it's mildly faster. Alright. Let's do one more.
Counting on you.
To the beach. Let's go to the beach. Beach. Minjaj. Yeah, I mean, I get. Ooh, hey, camera.
What a
Moving that
warm,
camera around
relaxing
much
place.
Much better.
I think you're in for some fun photo sessions here.
All right, I actually the camera might be enough. Like this one. Blossom. Pikachu.
Awesome!
Get out, move. N64. Yeah, it was N64. It's kind of nice it was N64, and just in the fact, like, the quick game. Especially once you had it all memorized. Where things were. But it felt big. It felt big. Miku.
Oh, wow.
Stunfisk. Hillary.
Oh, really?
There's nothing here. That's a Sandy Gast. I just can't get to it. What else? There will be an Alolan Raichu here. Level 2. That'll do it for us. Woo!
Hello.
Hello. Executor. This feels like it might be too close, but that was a serendipitous shot. Got you. It's all the Stunfisk one. None of them are good.
All right. A new discovery.
Not until you render this in 3D that you really realize Executor. The design is horrific.
Nice work.
The no arms thing is just rough with a capital R.
A new discovery. Nice work. A new
It's a
discovery.
solid picture of Wingull.
Nice work.
Silver, I deserve at least gold. I'm just,
A new discovery. Nice
I just
work.
want what's mine. Felt like a silver, man.
A new discovery. Perfect
Yuku
timing.
muku. Jeez. Proud out here.
A new discovery. Nice work.
Now this one
A new
sucks.
discovery.
This one sucks,
work.
but like fully. Agree. That is wood quality, not even bronze.
Nice work.
See, I don't know if I agree with that. I feel like that should have been silver.
A new discovery. Nice work.
Okay. 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 Can we get 30,000?
All right.
Dabbing for days. Look at that. You done did it.
Ah,
By the way, Audino. Again, I look at that name,
Now
this
then.
Pokemon walking in the background. I'm like, it's an Arduino. An Arduino microcontroller. I have no idea what it is.
by the way.
The offshore.
Now,
Alright. Well, unfortunately, folks, I'm going to call it there because I am sleepy. Thank you for hanging out, and maybe we'll pick this up next week again on Wednesday, or maybe we'll do a Saturday one. Woot woot! I am in danger. Got a lot to do now, all over this place. New area, loved.
Thanks.
But thank you again for hanging out, and I'll see you around. Have a great night. Bye-bye.